Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see the select tool in Alteryx. So let's get started. So I have dragged my input data tool and I have connected to the dataset. So let me drag the select tool from the canvas onto the work area canvas. Okay, here you can see whatever the input fields that we have, our select tool has automatically loaded and it has assigned the data types based on the characters or data that it contains and also the size of that data type. So now we have an option to change the data type based on whatever we feel is right: string, double, or float. So also, you can rename a particular column. Fiscal year, kilometers driven, etc. And also, you can give the description about the column, like what is it about. You can give some details, like this is and this is a year column. So this is how you can rename or give descriptions to the column. So let's see how you can reorder or sort the columns. So you can just select a column and click on move up or move down button to order the columns appropriately as it is necessary for you. So next we have save or load. So whatever the columns that you have here, so in order to save the configuration, like whatever the changes that you have done, like for example, the data types or the renaming of the column or the description or the size of the fields, you can save these configurations for later use if you want to use these in other workflows. So we will do config for. So once we have saved it, now let's say we want to use this configuration in other workflows. This is how we can load it. So let me paste the input data tool here, drag our select tool. So by default, all these fields will appear with their default data types and sizes. So let's say we want to load the configurations which we have modified recently. So I will hit load field names and types and select our file C. So it has changed to the configuration which we have saved. So this is how you can use it. Okay, so next we have sort. So you can sort based on the field name. So field name ascending or field name descending, or sort based on field type. So based on the type, you can sort it. Next, you can add suffix or prefix to the field name. So go to the option, select add suffix. Let's say a underscore. And if you select only add to the highlighted fields, it will add only to the highlighted field that we have selected right now. If you uncheck this, it will add to all of the fields. So let's see here how it works. So same way you can add suffix to the field names. You can clear all renames. So whatever the renaming of the field has been done, you can just hit clear. Everything will be renamed. And if you want to revert to the original type and size, the original size of this input file, you can just hit revert all to original type and size. So this is how it will revert back to the original data types and sizes. So this is how you can use select tool in your workflow. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned until next time. Bye bye.